Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we dive into intriguing questions and uncover the science behind everyday habits. Have you ever popped a piece of gum in your mouth hoping it would make studying a little easier? Maybe you were cramming for an exam or trying to get through a dense textbook. Or perhaps you chew gum at work to power through that afternoon slump, hoping it will keep you alert during those long meetings or tedious tasks. We're going to explore a fascinating question today. Does chewing gum really help you focus? Is there any scientific basis to this common belief? Let's dive in and uncover the truth about chewing gum and its potential impact on our concentration, memory, and even stress levels. We'll look at various studies and expert opinions to get a comprehensive understanding. Get ready for some surprising facts and practical tips that you can use in your everyday life. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone looking to boost their mental performance, this video is for you. Let's get chewing on this. First, let's talk about the immediate effects of chewing gum. Some people claim that it helps them feel more awake and alert almost instantly. It sounds almost too good to be true, right? But there's actually some science to back this up. Chewing gum increases blood flow to the brain, which can help improve cognitive function. Could something as simple as chewing gum actually give our brains a boost? Studies have shown that people who chew gum during tasks that require continuous monitoring and focus tend to perform better. Well, there's a surprising amount of research that suggests it might. For example, a study conducted by Cardiff University found that participants who chewed gum had quicker reaction times and more accurate results in memory tests. We're going to break it all down in a way that's easy to understand and relatable. We'll also discuss how long these effects last and whether there's a point of diminishing returns. So, how long should you chew gum to get the best results? Some studies suggest that the benefits can last for about 15-20 minutes, but chewing for too long might actually lead to jaw fatigue and reduced effectiveness. And what about stress? Chewing gum has been shown to reduce cortisol levels, which is the hormone associated with stress. This means that it can help you feel more relaxed and less anxious. So next time you're feeling overwhelmed, try popping a piece of gum in your mouth. It might just help you calm down and regain your focus. In conclusion, while chewing gum isn't a magic bullet for focus and concentration, it does have some scientifically backed benefits. It's a simple and accessible tool that can give you a little boost when you need it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting insights. See you next time. Believe it or not, the idea of chewing gum for focus isn't exactly new. In fact, it dates back generations. During World War I, American soldiers were given chewing gum as part of their rations. Why? Well, military leaders at the time believed that chewing gum could help improve soldiers' concentration and reduce stress while they were on the battlefield. It's fascinating to think that this simple act of chewing might have played a small role in such a significant historical event. Now let's fast forward to the present day and look at what scientists have discovered about chewing gum and its effects on the brain. Numerous studies have explored this very topic, and the results are intriguing. Research suggests that chewing gum can make us more alert and attentive. That's right, even if we're not actively engaged in a mental task, the simple act of chewing gum seems to put our brains on high alert. This heightened state of alertness could be freeing up more brain power for learning and processing information. Okay, so we've seen some evidence that chewing gum might boost our brain power, but how exactly does it work? What is it about this simple act of chewing that seems to have such a profound effect on our cognitive functions? While scientists are still unraveling all the details, they have made some fascinating discoveries along the way. There are a few leading theories that attempt to explain this phenomenon. One thought is that chewing gum increases blood flow to the brain. This is similar to how physical exercise boosts circulation. Just like our muscles need a good supply of oxygen-rich blood to function properly, our brains rely on that steady flow as well. When we chew gum, it might be like giving our brain a mini workout. This increased blood flow could be giving our brain cells the extra fuel they need to fire on all cylinders, enhancing our ability to think, focus, and remember. Imagine your brain as a high-performance engine. Just as an engine needs a constant supply of fuel to run smoothly, our brain cells need a steady flow of oxygen and nutrients to perform at their best. Another theory suggests that the physical act of chewing, moving our jaw and tongue, might actually be keeping certain parts of our brain occupied. This constant movement could be stimulating areas of the brain that are involved in motor control and sensory processing. By keeping these areas busy, it might help to prevent them from getting distracted by other stimuli, allowing us to maintain better focus on the task at hand. These are the areas that might otherwise be prone to distractions. So, in a way, chewing gum could be helping us to create a more focused and efficient mental environment. Whether it's increasing blood flow or keeping certain brain areas occupied, the act of chewing gum seems to offer some surprising cognitive benefits. So next time you need a mental boost, you might want to reach for a stick of gum. Section 5. Chewing gum for students. A study buddy? For all the students out there, listen up. The research on chewing gum and focus gets even more interesting. Some studies have found that chewing gum can improve both our visual memory, which is remembering things we see, and our auditory memory, which is remembering things we hear. Imagine being able to recall information from your textbooks or lectures more easily. That's the potential power of a simple stick of gum. It's like having a secret weapon in your backpack to help you ace those exams. Section 6. Chewing gum at work. Boosting productivity? Students aren't the only ones who can benefit from a little chewing gum boost. Studies have also shown that chewing gum during work can lead to higher productivity and fewer errors. It seems that the act of chewing helps us stay on task and maintain our focus, especially during those long, challenging projects. So, if you're feeling that afternoon slump creeping in, try reaching for a piece of gum instead of another cup of coffee. It might just be the pick-me-up your brain needs to power through the rest of the workday. Section 7. Finding the right gum for focus. Now, you might be wondering if all chewing gums are created equal when it comes to boosting focus. While more research is needed in this area, it's generally a good idea to choose sugar-free gum. Sugar-free gum won't spike your blood sugar levels, which can lead to energy crashes later on. Plus, it's better for your teeth. Look for gums that contain xylitol, a natural sweetener that's actually good for your oral health. Section 8. Chewing responsibly. Tips and considerations. Okay, before you go stocking up on gum, let's talk about a few important considerations. While chewing gum can be a helpful tool, it's essential to do it responsibly. First and foremost, always chew gum politely. No one wants to hear loud smacking or popping. Secondly, be mindful of the environment. Dispose of your gum properly in a trash can. And lastly, if you experience any negative side effects from chewing gum, such as jaw pain or headaches, discontinue use and consult with your doctor. Section 9. So, does chewing gum help you focus? Chewing gum has been a popular habit for many people around the world, but did you know that it might actually help you focus better? Let's dive into the science behind this intriguing idea. Researchers have been studying the effects of chewing gum on cognitive functions for years. Some studies suggest that the act of chewing can increase blood flow to the brain, which in turn can enhance brain function. Chewing gum seems to increase alertness, improve memory, and even reduce stress. These benefits are particularly useful when you need to concentrate on a task. Imagine you're working on a complex project or studying for an important exam. The simple act of chewing gum could help you stay focused and calm, making it easier to absorb information and complete your tasks efficiently. The next time you need to buckle down and focus, consider reaching for a piece of gum. It's a small and easy step that could make a big difference in your productivity. Whether you're a student preparing for a big exam or a professional tackling a challenging project at work, chewing gum might just be the secret weapon you need to enhance your focus and performance. It's not just about the act of chewing. The flavor of the gum can also play a role. Mint-flavored gum, for example, is known for its refreshing and invigorating properties, which can help keep you alert and awake. Try popping a piece of sugar-free gum and see if it makes a difference. Not only will it help you focus, but it will also keep your breath fresh and your mouth busy. You might just be surprised at the results. Many people have reported feeling more alert and less stressed after chewing gum during demanding tasks. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and informative content. Bye, everyone.